In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add mortgage interest on TurboTax. If you need to enter mortgage interest for your tax return, TurboTax makes it fairly straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to navigate to the right section so you can start entering the information from your mortgage documents, typically your Form 1098. To begin, sign in to TurboTax and open your return. From the top navigation area, click on Federal. This takes you into the federal tax section, which is where mortgage interest is usually entered because it's part of your deductions. Once you're in the federal area, move your cursor over Deductions and Credits. Depending on your version of TurboTax, this may appear in the main navigation or menu area. Hovering here helps you access the section where home-related tax deductions are organized. Next, click on Deductions and Credits Summary. This page gives you an overview of the deduction categories available in your return. It's a useful starting point because it helps you jump directly into the area you need instead of scrolling through every possible tax topic. From there is the search field and type mortgage. As you type, TurboTax will begin filtering relevant categories and options. This is one of the quickest ways to locate the correct section, especially if you're not sure exactly where mortgage interest is grouped in the menu. After searching, click on your home. This category usually contains the tax topics related to homeownership, including mortgage interest, refinancing, property taxes, and other home-related deductions. If you own a home and received a Form 1098 from your lender, this is the section you'll want. Now look for mortgage interest and refinancing, followed by Form 1098, and select the option to start. This opens the area where you can begin entering your mortgage interest details. Make sure you have your Form 1098 nearby so you can enter the information accurately. It's a good idea to double check the lender name, the amount of mortgage interest reported, and any other figures shown on the form before moving forward. At this point, you're in the correct place to add your mortgage interest in TurboTax. Take your time entering the details carefully, since even small mistakes can affect your deductions. If your mortgage was refinanced, this section is also where TurboTax may guide you through those related entries. And that's how to find and start the mortgage interest section in TurboTax.